Vibroflotation is a ground improvement technique which is electrically and hydraulically prop. It will strengthen the soil. The soil will compact it and to make it suitable for the load to support. Vibroflotation is a ground improvement method whether for densifying sand, reclaim soil, remove sand, but it is very not suitable for silty sand because it has high fines content.
Okay, so next I will explain on the experimental work for vibroflotation. So, vibroflotation is when it vibrates and compacts the material surrounding it. And then the vibroflotation dimensions and the capabilities to vibrate depends on the manufacturer. And when the contractor receives the Vibrofloat, it will modify it based on their purposes. Generally, they are 7 feet or greater in length, and they rely upon an electronic motor or hydraulic power to generate their vibratory forces. And the vibratory forces are generated by rotating eccentric shaft with higher frequencies.
Next is our procedure, which is the Vibrofloat was suspended to the crane. From Vibrofloat, the water has been injected from the Vibrofloat to the soil, which is sit on the surface of the ground that need to be improved. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Next is when the Vibrofloat was inside the soil, the water has been injected from the both sides with the vibration. The vibration from here, there was inject from this side and this side to be improve the soil, the another area. Then the last one is when the Vibrofloat was reached at the bottom of the ground, which is bedrock. The backhoe will bring soil to fill the soil in the hole, while the Vibrofloat was going up to finish their job.
Okay, next is for the discussion. I will explain about 5 case studies by part. And for the first case study is densifying sands near existing structures. For this site, they use port compaction piles and to increase the bearing capacity. And after a few tries, it has been proven unsuccessful. And for the solution, they use vibroflotation, as vibroflotation would be a feasible improvement technique for the soil. And second case study is vibroflotation for densification of hydraulic field. For this site, it is located at sea, and it is known as sea which need a breakwater structure. So vibrocompaction is used because vibrocompaction is regularly known as a compaction used for offshore projects. And next, for the third case study, compaction of reclaimed soil through vibroflotation. So the densification in this site is used in order to reduce for future settlements beneath pipelines and to stabilize the seaside slope of sand embankment. Next, for the fourth case study International Mineral and Chemical Corporation Phosphate Land. For this site, compact sands are used to compact at depths up to 15 feet. So they use 3 different spacing distances, which is line, square and triangular. And for the last case study that we have for the discussion, effectiveness of vibroflotation on silty sand. And for this site, it is 100 horsepower vibrofloat on embankment to determine effectiveness of the vibroflotation in silty sand. And instead of pre-drilling, they use a 24-inch auger bucket to create holes, and then the holes are then backfilled with sand before inserting the vibrofloat again. That's all for the discussion.
Okay, for the next is the result. Okay, after we have studied all the 5 articles, we have clarified and understand the result generally. Okay, first we know that the vibroflotation is from the result. We know that vibroflotation is good for a certain type of soil. For example, is clay soil. Okay, the reason for we choose the vibroflotation is because it was the simply and the economist way other than the compaction techniques. It increase the soil bearing capacity, reduce settlement, and also it's improve the granular soil without posing a great risk for existing structure. Okay, for the article that we have studied, number 5, we know that the vibroflotation is not good for type of soil of silty sand. This is because from the result of the article, we conclude that the vibroflotation was not effective to do the compaction on the silty sand, because after the cone penetration test, before and after, the result of the soil strength is not far, not big change. So the vibroflotation is not good for the silty sand. Okay.